our petition so that he can act on it. This is the petition. Journalists, protection from police, and police is not shooting at journalists. So that is our request to the police, so that journalists can be allowed to work in safe environments.
Yes, and just as it has been written, the Kenyan Media Sector Working Group is a partnership of media professionals, association and stakeholders. Today, we have appropriated our rights as citizens and professionals to gather and express our anger over police brutality against journalists, threats to shut media houses, and other primitive strategies by state organs and agencies, politicians and their youth bent on curtailing the hard-won freedom of expression and media. We therefore demand immediate action on the following issues: accountability for illegal shootings, beatings, abductions, and harassment of journalists in the last few weeks, details of which are in the public domain, prosecution of rogue police officers, including the one who shot our journalists in Nakuru, and also assurances of the safety of all journalists working in the country, cessation of threats issued by Communications Authority and other state agencies, the settlement of all duly reputed members of the media complaints, as well as end of media censorship and unrestricted access to information, including the Parliament of Kenya.
Yes. So we've delivered our petition to police. From here, we are still going to other government offices where journalists have been restricted access to information. So this is the first point where we've delivered our petition to police, particularly the issues touching on police brutality. So let me also introduce Zubeida Kananu, the president of Kennedy Taskin, to say something, then from there we move.
Tumefika kuwasilisha tumeona polisi wamekuwa wakinyanyasa wale walikuwa marafiki zetu. Siku hizi wanabarua wanatishwa, wanapigwa risasi, wanakidnapiwa. Kenya ambayo tuko na kuandamana, kufanya kazi bila sababu tukaamua hapa tutaanzia tupeana malalamiko yetu. Tunataka polisi ambao wamekuwa wakijaribu wanahabari wetu wachukuliwe hatua. Sasa tunaona yote tuchukuliwe hatua tangu hapo. Kwa nini? Mbona wanalindwa? Mbona wanafichwa? Mbona hawachukuliwi hatua? Na ndio mambo ambayo tunataka. Kwa nini hao polisi ambao wamenakiliwa hata kwenye video hakuna hata mmoja wao amechukuliwa?
And just to add on that, we indicated here access to information is a constitutional right. I'm one of the journalists that have been restricted to access parliament buildings, but what we are saying is access to information is a constitutional right, and we have a duty to give all the information to the media.
Alafu pia tunadai haki kama vyombo vya habari, kwa sababu sasa tunatishiwa kwamba vyombo vyetu vya habari vitavamiwa. Sasa hivi tunaitwa genocide media kwa kufanya kazi yetu. Kwa nini tunaitwa genocide media? Wengine wetu nambari zetu za simu zimewekwa mitandaoni, nchi ambayo tuna haki ya kikatiba ya privacy. Kwa nini namba zetu zinawekwa mitandaoni? Tunatishiwa kila wakati. Tunadai haki kutoka kwa asasi husika ambazo zimewekwa, kwamba vyombo vyetu vya habari vipo mikononi kuja kutusikia habari. Juzi ilikuwa Royal Media. Hiyo ni Standard Media ambayo inaitwa
wacha kibali kokote.
Hiyo maiki iko nyuma.